Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy French Rican again. I know it's been a long time since I gave y'all a video, and yeah, I fucking just forgot what I was about to say. Yo, what's going on, guys? 2 years later, 2 years, I shot the apple pie moonshine video, and then I shot the pumpkin pie moonshine video for you guys, and I never posted it. You know why? Don't make it. Really don't. I thought it was gross. It was a waste of time. It tasted too much more like the apple pie moonshine to even be considered a pumpkin flavor. Yeah, man, it was just messy and nasty, and it didn't taste good. And that's why, guys, I didn't have any left, man. I gave those away as soon as I got them, No, don't do it. If you're interested, it's a project. Go ahead, try it out. Everybody's taste buds are different. I'm just saying, don't get on here and be like, yo, that was disgusting. That's whack. I'm going to tell you, go to... Yeah, there. We went there. You're going to go there. Not really. But no, seriously, it sounded better on paper, guys. It really did. That's why these are empty. No. I don't suggest it. I don't recommend it. And if you try it, let me know in the comments. Alright, Joe. I really don't have much on this one. I wasn't even going to do the video, but you know what? I did it. I put it out there. So I'm going to let y'all have it. And, if you guys try it, seriously, let me know. If you guys like it, I'll be surprised, but I'll be glad to hear it. So if you do, let me know. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. That's it, man. Live, love, enjoy. Peace. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy French Rican back again, finally, bringing you a video on how to do pumpkin pie moonshine. Last time we did apple pie moonshine, I actually got a lot of questions with people asking me, how long does it last? Well, let me tell you, about a week ago I finished my last jar, so it's a long time. But today, we're doing some pumpkin pie. Now keep in mind, this was a request by somebody who was watching the apple pie moonshine. I don't know what this tastes like. I have no idea. I've only seen one other person make it on YouTube or something like that. And yeah, it's interesting. So yeah, my cameraman's making faces behind there. But yeah, we're gonna try it and see how it goes. The ingredients we got the ingredients that I found there for one batch. I'm gonna double it up like always. We got 2 29-ounce cans of pumpkin puree or whatever that's called. We got 2 gallons of apple cider. We got 150 proof. I couldn't find the whole bottles in my town, so I got the smaller bottles of the whipped cream 99, some vanilla extract. We got some cinnamon. We got all these. We got some nutmeg, some ground ginger, some ground cloves, some cinnamon. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that goes into it. So you know what? I'm gonna post the amounts and all the the sizes and everything like that below, so you guys can get that correct. So without further ado, let's get this on and popping. Put this into the pot. I don't know, some people say that you can leave the chunks in there when you go to pour it in the jars. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna strain it, because again, like I said in the last video, I don't like chunks in my stuff. Wow, this doesn't smell like the pies that you get from the store, bro. Kind of smells like baby food. Hopefully it comes out good, because if it tastes like that when I drink it, it's going to be a waste. Alright, there's 1 can down. 2 cans, Sam. Yo, if you guys tried that the apple pie moonshine, let me know how you guys liked it. I thought it was pretty good. I keep making it. This year I'm doing something different. I'm hoping to get this taste cider because I want it to, and I like pumpkin pie. Alright, so we got that in there. You also don't have to heat this up. You don't have to cook it. You don't have to do anything. You can just mix everything, stir everything, and, you know what I'm saying, just bottle everything. I feel like cooking it blends the flavors a little bit better. So, we're just going to do it that way. Once we get this first gallon in here, we're going to heat up the stove. Oh, damn. I don't know if we're going to fit both of them in there. We're going to try. Yeah, we'll start the stove now. We'll get number 2 in there. Yeah, we're splashing all over the place. I wonder if this is how Aunt Jemima felt. Alright, so we got that started up. We're going to give this a quick little stir with one of these 150 spoons we got up here. And I start splashing myself. I'm a messy cook, so. After this, we're just going to blend all the other stuff, put all the seasonings. I'll try to tell you guys what's in there as I'm going along. Alright, so we got 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Bang. I think this was 2 tablespoons or teaspoons of ground cinnamon. 2 teaspoons of the ground cinnamon, ground ginger. 1 teaspoon of the nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 4 cups of brown sugar. Oh, damn. I feel like a kid in elementary school making mud pies or something. Mother's gonna come down, kick your rear end. I don't know why I'm editing myself. It's not like kids are gonna be making this. But yeah, we're gonna let this heat up, let it cook. I'm gonna add 1 more or 2 more cups of brown sugar in here, and we're gonna hope and pray this comes out good, guys. I'm glad I get to experiment this before you guys try it, because I don't want people messaging me or commenting that I'm an ass for making them waste all their stuff. Alright, so we're going to do 2 more cups. Oh, it's all clumpy and hard. That works. That's enough sugar. Alright, let's see if we can do this a little neater this time and try to think. Alright guys, all our stuff is in here. We're going to bring this up to a small boil. And then, yeah, we'll be back, you know, do the rest of it, I guess. Keep in mind, we're just experimenting here. I was asked to do this in one of the comments, and figured we'd give it a try. Alright guys, we'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, we're back. We got our drink warmed up. We're not doing it to a boil. We're just going to bring it up to a nice steam. We got it steaming right now. I've been stirring it like once every 5 minutes or so. But you can see it steaming. Right now we're just going to shut it off. We're going to let that cool down. And then we're going to add our liquor. Yeah, so I have one suggestion. I would add probably a half a teaspoon of the ground cloves. This stuff is strong smelling. I can smell it through almost all of that, but it's not too overpowering. It's just a really potent smell. So I would just do 1 teaspoon of that, or half a teaspoon, or 1 teaspoon. I don't remember what I put in there. Again, I'll edit that in below. So, but yeah, I mean, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'm always down to do videos for you guys. I'm thinking after doing this one, I'm going to do a cherry pie. You know, obviously we do a ghetto here. We don't distill our liquor. So we do it the way we do. But yeah, you guys help me out. I'll keep making videos for you guys. I know this one took forever. But, you know, been in the gym. I lost a few pounds. I know you can't tell I got my sweater on right now. But your boy's down almost 100 pounds now. So I don't know about drinking stuff like this. I would shoot right back up. But yeah, man, like, subscribe, hit that notification. You know, we'll keep bringing videos to you. But yeah, we're gonna let this cool down. We're gonna add our liquor, and we'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. We brought our liquor down, or our mix down to temperature. We're ready to pour our liquor in. We're gonna do 1.5 liters. This is 190. I messed it up before, but this is 190. We're gonna do 1.5 liters. Top it up a little bit more. Like I said, I like mine a little potent. So if you don't like it that strong, I suggest you don't put as much. But yeah, I was actually surprised. The video I seen with somebody doing this, the pumpkin pasta, it was all clumpy and fudged up looking. This actually came out pretty decent. And check this out. I mean, it's still gonna have some sediment. That's why we got this set aside over here so we can strain it out a little bit. But there's no clumps in it. It, you know, cooked out nicely. So here we go. Here's the dangerous part. Hopefully it all fits, man, because this pot's getting kind of full. That's up there. Alright, I messed up with this part. This is 2 cups right here, almost 2 cups. You're supposed to do 2 cups. I doubled up on all the ingredients, and it calls for 2 cups for 1 gallon of apple cider. I did 2 cups of the whipped cream, 99. Should be 4 cups, so I suggest go with 4 cups. Doesn't have to be the 99. A lot of people use like the Pinnacle whipped cream. Again, my store didn't have it. We're cheap out here. But you know, we're gonna do. Whoa, it's all foamy. Look at that. All foamed up. But yeah, we're just gonna add this in here. Let's start up. Hopefully it doesn't overflow. Golden. We're like right at the top. Alright, so we're going to stir this up a little bit. And then what we're going to do is I have a muslin cloth or cheesecloth over here with a strainer on top of another pot. I'm going to just dump my mix in here and strain it out, get some of the extras. Again, you know, nobody likes stuff in their mouth when they're drinking. So we'll just do it that way. You know, you want to bring this down, let this cool off. So mine's at 150 right now. Liquor burns off at like 175, something like that. So just bring the temperature down a little bit before you pour your liquor in here. Otherwise, you'll just waste it, I guess. So yeah, just give it a little stir. Keep stirring. And yeah, when we're done stirring, we're just gonna pour it right in there and clean this up a little bit, take out some of that thickness, some of the sediment in here. You don't want none of that pulpy stuff in your mouth. Or maybe you do. If you don't care, just start, you know, jarring it up right now. But we are going to do it this way. Again, this is a pure experiment, guys. We have not done this before. We are going with the flow. You know, we're just trying this out. See how this goes. Yeah, so we're gonna dump it in here, and we're gonna be back. We'll have it all jarred up. I'll show you the jars that we're using, regular mason jars. I believe they're quart jars, and yeah, we'll We'll be right back.